First, I'm importing libraries that I will need in my code, and then I'm setting the website link. After that, I am downloading the website's HTML, and here I'm checking if it worked. And then I'm finding all the books on the page, and then I'm creating empty lists like titles, row prices, and availabilities. And after that, I'm going through each book and extracting details, like title, like get the book title, and then I'm getting the price, and then I'm getting availability, if the book in stock or not, and then I'm just printing results. After all that, I'm creating the data frame with titles, row prices, and availability. And then I'm cleaning the price column. I'm removing this sign from the prices, and then I'm converting to float and changing currency to USD, $2. And then I'm extracting stock numbers from the text. After that, I'm replacing empty values with 0, and here I'm converting to integer and adding to the table. And after all that, I'm showing the cleaned table. And here I'm checking the data types, and that's all for that. And then here I'm making sure prices in stock are numbers, and calculating price per one item in stock, and then finding the median stock, and here I'm applying a discount for books with the high stock, and after that I'm keeping the normal price for the rests, and showing the updated table. And then I'm doing normalization and comparison of my data. First of all, I'm finding the minimum and maximum prices. The lowest price will be minimum and the highest will be the maximum. And then I'm normalizing prices between 0 and 1. Here the 0 is the cheapest, 1 is the most expensive. And I'm showing the z-scores and normalized prices. Describe means gives us quick statistical information about the columns, and then I'm comparing original and normalized values. Here I'm finding the average stock count before and after z-score scaling, and finding the range before and after scaling. Same idea for the prices, comparing original and normalized versions. And then I'm creating prices for bins, I mean ranges. I'm categorizing prices for low, medium, and high, and then I'm assigning price categories, and here I'm displaying the results, and this is just visualization of price category distribution. And here with dummies, I'm doing one hot encoding. I'm converting categories into numbers. This turns my text categories into separate columns of ones and zeros, as you can see. And then I'm adding the columns back into the main data frame. And here I'm showing the updated table, and checking how many medium books I have. Describe method is used for getting the statistical information about numerical data in our data frame. So here I'm getting the count, the number of the variables in the value, the mean, average, standard deviation, minimum and maximum numbers, and IQR like 25%, 50%, and 75%. And then and here this groups all rows in my data frame based on the price category for low, medium, and high, and then calculating the average price for each group in price USD, which is low, medium, and high, and reset index that turns the grouped result, which is the special group table in my case, back into a normal data frame with proper column names and index numbers like 0 for 1 and 2 and etc. This is my box plot for price USD. This is my regression line with a scatter plot. Here I'm showing Pearson correlation coefficient, and then this is my correlation heat map, and that is all.